G'day everyone, welcome to the ECM Market Report for today, the 24th of February 2021. Today here in Moss Vale we yarded 740 cattle in a mixed quality yarding. Here today we yarded about 40 cows. Cow market was up about 4 or 5 cents on last week, making anywhere from $2.85 to $3.02 for the better heavy cows. There's about 60 export cattle yarded here today. Export cattle made anywhere from $3.10 up to $3.70 or 80.
Stocker steers here today, making the lighter ones making from 550 to 620, and the heavier ones making from 430 to 520.
Yeah, you wouldn't believe it here in the trade market today. She's probably 10 or 12 cents better. These lovely Angus and limo cross heifers making up to $4.70, weighing up to 410 or 20 kilos. The lighter cattle probably dearer again, making from $4.40 to $4.95. Very strong market.
There's a really big yarding of feeder steers here today. These steers here weighing 400 to 500 kilos, making anywhere from $4.20 up to $4.62 for the Angus steers.
With a yarding of 15 bulls here today, top bull made $3.18.2 and all buys were operating.